Oh, sometimes I'm the one to clean my nails. But this time, look at that fit. Look at my. It's. I have a. Wait. I don't know if you can see my nails on my. It's long now and it's not going. There's a still a manicure. And it's long. But I love I love my nails there and it's long. I keep it long. And I like to look at it, especially if there's a cutics there and it's long. It's nice to look at. And the other one, look at that. See, it's long. I have long nails there on my foot. I don't know what's the English of that. What's the correct term? And this fit is only size 5, guys. It's so small. I have a very small fit. And look at that. I did not put I always put a nail extension, guys, but now I give a time my nails to rest. So this is my original nails. It's too short. I did not put I rest like 2 months because I always put a nail extension. And I feel like my nails is damaged. So yeah, that's it. Princess have a nice fit. What happened to my leg? Sometimes I exercise do like that. What is your favorite color? I love white. White and black. Black and white. And also I love color yellow. 3 colors. Steven, hello. How old are you? I am already 51 years old, Steven. If your clothes are too big, can you lower the clothes a little from the chest? Yeah, sometimes. I wear like the guy t-shirt. I like wearing that and only wear panty or panty short if only I'm in the house. Because I feel so very comfy. I am old, 22 you. You're only 22? My goodness, you're so young. Hola, Yamil Perez. How are you, darling? Where are you from? Hi, are you from Brazil? From Rodriguez. Hello. Pastimantol Pagipagi. I don't know what is the meaning of this. You, yes. Yes, I'm older than you. I'm already 51. And you're only 22. You're only my son. You can call me Grandma. Grandma Tisha! Kaloka kayo. Mamaya na ako kakain. Super. Antonio Jose Carvalho, hello. Buwan Mighty Amiga. Obrigada. Você é muito special. I don't know what is the meaning of this. Are you saying I am beautiful? You're crazy. Can I be your boyfriend? Oh, really? If you're gonna say you wanna be my boyfriend, you have to prove it because I don't believe promise. I believe action, so you have to prove it.